Hello everyone. Friends, today I am going to discuss concept of modalities in homeopathy. Modality is the symptom which is very characteristic and needful to find out the totality of your patient. If you are having any case and you are going to select a symptom of your cases, you need to find out correct totality, correct modality of your patient. And what are these modality, what are the concept of modality, why we need to correct modality, and what are the importance, and what are the different modality in your patient, how you can understand the modality. So first of all, I want to tell you these are the thing which you can collect by your patient himself and by homeopathic physician, his observation or way of asking, he can collect his modality. So in case of modality, you need to know, and this is actually the definition, that patient complaint when get aggravated, when it increases is aggravation, and when it get ameliorated, it means better. So the worse and better condition is explained by the modality. When the complaint of your patient is worse is called aggravation, and when the complaint of your patient get better is called amelioration. There are certain things like dietary factors, there are certain activity like movement, rest, there are some time factor like morning, evening, midnight, night, forenoon, this and some atmospheric changes like damp, hot weather, cold weather. These are the thing which help to rule out your modality. From in these things, from which your patient get relief or from which your patient get aggravated, right? For example, by example I am going to explain this, like your patient is suffering from joint pain, right? And he get aggravated, he get increases his complaint by movement, by motion, right? This is called aggravation, and this is very peculiar of Priania. But if you need to differentiate from other remedy, from calcarea calf, from calmia, from rustox, so you need to know the exact characteristic of your modalities. He get aggravated by motion, but in rustox you will see he get slight aggravation from first step, but he get relieved by motion. So this is the basic differentiation between the remedies. So this is called aggravating point. And in amelioration cases, see, while in case of joint pain, Briania get relieved by absolute rest. He get relieved by absolute rest. Relief, it means amelioration. Better, he get relieved by complete rest. In case of rustox, he need relief from motion, but frequent motion get aggravated. While he is taking frequent motion, he get aggravated. So these are the things which we need to differentiate between the remedy. So the concept of modalities is also for the differentiation between the remedy first. Secondary, to characterize your case, to find peculiar characteristic of your totality. Because in case of while you are taking case in totality, you need always characteristic symptom, peculiar characteristic symptom, and if you are missing these things, you cannot find correct similibum in your case. It may be some partial remedy and there may be some wrong prescription. So while you are using modality, you need to know two things as I explained you. First is aggravation, when he get aggravation, and for aggravation there are certain factors like timing, food factor, eating, drinking, cold, warmth, and atmospheric changes. It may be certain things, while patient get relief from which things. It is very important. And for amelioration, similar things matters. While patient get better, which things are patient is from which things patient is getting relief. So this is very important session, friends, for modality. And one thing I want to add this, that my English is not that much good, but I'm trying to speak in English. So if you like my video, kindly share, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you for today.